Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to share really quickly, I've already started making projects with these club kits for Spellbinders for July 2025, but I just wanted to share the die sets themselves. I totally forgot to do that first before I started making stuff. I got too excited. So this one's these three. I've got the small, large and the glimmer of the month. As most of you who watch often will know, those are the three I get every month. And yeah, this is very exciting. This is Christmas in July basically, and like I say, I got too excited, so I made some cards and stuff before I even did the reveal. So by now you've probably seen that from many other crafters. But the glimmer of the month, this month comes with a silver foil, which is very shiny and very pretty. And then the plate is a full A2 size plate with this giant snowflake and then a bunch of little ones around it, which I think is very, very cute. And then there's a couple of sentiments here as well: let it snow and sending winter hugs. So very, very pretty. And this one is the so I haven't labeled it yet. This is the Arctic Glimmer, that's the name of it, and this is the sort of thing you can make with it. So this is the background that will come out. So that's the glimmer. Very cute, and I've done something different with this in one of my cards, so you'll see that, or you may have already, depending what order these are in. And then this is the small die of the month. This makes mugs like for cocoa or hot chocolate. And so you have the main body of the main part of the mug, which you can make a little penguin, Santa, or a Rudolph or reindeer. And then you have a little extra snowflake. You've got the frosting, which has got a decorative bit as well. You have the handles and the little candy cane, so in that cane something you can pop into the frosting. There's a little heart here and some other little pieces like this, the scarf and Santa's beard, the ears for the reindeer, and the other little components. So this is the sort of thing you can make with it. Isn't that cute? So cute. And this one is called Cocoa Greetings. So very, very sweet. And then this is the large die of the month, which is huge as always. And this is probably easier to show, but this creates mugs and mittens. If you saw the video on this card that I made with this, you will know that words were not good that day. But you've got the sleeves of like a warm cozy jumper or cardigan, and then you have a little snowman, the Santa you can make up. This is the mug with the cocoa that you can put inside. You've got a big snowflake, and then these three little guys can fit inside the mug. I'll show you that in a second. You've got these two funny things which make the steam coming off the mug, and then this sentiment there, which is warm cocoa wishes. And then these weird looking things here these are for the actual mittens, and you've got this piece here which is the cuff for the main sleeve of the jumper, jumper or jersey, whatever you want to call it. And then these two will fit on the mittens. If you wanted to use the mittens on their own, you don't need to put the arms on. So this is the sort of thing you can make with it, and this is the idea. So there's your little sleeves, the mittens, holding a nice warm cup of cocoa, and then the idea is with those squigglies is to make the the steam coming off it. So I did something very similar but a little different, and you'll see that. But yes, words were difficult that day, so which you will also see. So I hope this was helpful in some ways, even though yes, I realise I'm probably later posting this than I normally would have been, and like I say, there should be projects already up and running with this because I'm back to front this month. So yes, yeah, so I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy the cards that I've made with him. And until next time guys, bye for now.